Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make this. This picture is called the Scruff Dude. I made it up after my dog Scruffy, which you will be able to see at the end of the video. What you'll need is a piece of blank paper, a pencil. I'm using Sharpie so you can see. And if you want to, you can add googly eyes. It looks a little bit cuter. But if you don't have any, it's totally fine. You can just make eyes like this. So let's get started. Get it! Fluffy, Scruffy, YouTube channel. Woof, bark, bow wow, dog. Fluffy is a Scruffy. Scruffy is a Fluffy. Fluffy, Scruffy, YouTube channel. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so it's a little bit windy. I'm glad I have like paperweights, I guess, the pliers, but whatever. Okay, so you're gonna want to start with an oval, an oval for the head. So just like this, pretty simple. Okay. So you can see this. Okay. Then next you're gonna want to do. So here's the thing is, so you go down slanted, and then you go up slanted. Down, up, down, up. This is gonna be his fur. So you want to go. So once again, watch it. You want to go down slanted, and up slanted, and down slanted. And from there, you can make legs. You go in a straight line and make a curved circle. And then you go in a straight line back up, and you go like this. And you go back down a straight line, and then you make another half circle, just like that. And then you can make another straight line up. But then if you want to, it'd probably be easier if you just started from the top again. Okay, so you go down and slant up, and slant down and slant up, and then slant down, slant up, and then just do that until it reaches the legs. There, okay. So now I'm gonna make the tail. So you go right in the middle of his place right there. and then you do the same pattern with this, except you go out like that, and it's gonna go behind his leg. So you're gonna want to do that. Whoops. Okay. See? And then it's gonna come out of his leg like that, and then you do this pattern, except you do it up and slant down, and then go up and slant down, and then you make the point right here, and then you go up, slant down, up, slant down, up, slant down, until you're back right here. There. Okay. So you got his main body made now. So next we're going to do the ears. So you could just do them. You could do pointed ones, with scruffs on them, or you could do floppy ones that are just oval sideways. But I like to do my dog's ears are kind of weird. So I like to go down and then curve inward and curve outward again. And then I like to push up the ear again, just like that. Okay. And I want to do the same thing on this side. So curve, curve in, curve out, and back up again. Okay. So now you're gonna want to make the nose. It's just gonna be an oval. And I like to color it in because dogs' noses are black. So yeah. And then you're gonna want to make a line and then curve up, and another line and curve up. Just like that. Next, you're going to make the eyes. So here's one of those times where you can just do like googly eyes if you want. Just like that. But I'm just gonna do paper eye, like marker eyes. So you can just do any eyes you want. It doesn't really matter. I just normally do the basic thing. You can do like the fierce eyes if you want, like when you make the curve and you color it in. Or something like that. I'm just gonna do these eyes so like if you wanna know how to make these, you just make an oval and then do a curve down to the bottom, do a curve down to the bottom and color it in. Okay, so our Scruff Dude is almost finished. But don't you think it's missing something? Right, it's missing paws. Well, it's front paws. So what you're gonna wanna do is just make another straight line, another half circle, and back up again. Do the same thing on this side. Okay. Perfect. And now you have your Scruff Dude. Now you can add little details, like you can add fluff on the ears or something like that, and you can add like little paw marks like that, or you can add like claws like that. You just like make little triangles on the outside of the paws if you want, for claws. And you can add like fluff to the ears if you want, like curls or like stuff like that. So yeah, so now you got your Scruff Dude. You can add anything you want to him. So this is, yeah. Let me show you my dog Scruffy. One sec. Okay guys, so this is my dog Scruffy. He's lying down right now in the grass. He's just enjoying it. Oh, he hears a car. Okay, so this is my dog Scruffy. He's the one I inspired the picture. I'm going to try to get him to stand up so you can see. Scruffy! So yeah, he's such a cute little puppy. So just in case you guys are wondering, he's a Chug and long-haired Chihuahua mix. And he just, yeah. Yeah, so. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!